Time now for our bite of the week, and it comes from an American tourist who was stranded in the grill with the closure of the airspace in March.
Now, the tourist, who is an ex-U.S. Marine, says he longs for home, but expressed reservations about returning at this time. Here's our bite of the week.
I'd rather be here than at home right now. Detroit, my town, Wayne County, Michigan. Detroit, New York's the worst. Washington and California's been bad, but Detroit right now is like an epicenter. Wayne County, it's one little county, okay, around Detroit. It's a big hot spot for coronavirus. And now they want me to fly from here to Atlanta and then to Detroit. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. Yeah, I'm 71 years old. Do you think I want to go back to a place that's killing people at 65?